Prior to starting your National Highways Sector Scheme 12D M3 assessments, you must ensure that you have the mandatory prerequisites. This means that within the last 2 years you must have successfully completed the 12D T3 course and that you have a valid 12D M2 qualification. In this video, we will guide you through the key elements and the requirements of the assessment process, ensuring you are well prepared. National Highways Sector Scheme 12D focuses on different methods of traffic control for use on rural and urban roads. It emphasizes quality management and the need for safety for both the road worker and the road user. Understanding this is crucial for maintaining safety and efficiency on our national highway network. 12D M3 focuses specifically on 30 and 40 mph dual carriageways. Your employer must provide the suitable site and equipment for the assessment to be completed. The assessment process involves several stages: preparation, documentation review, on-site evaluation, installation, maintenance, removal, and feedback. Each stage is important to ensure compliance with the standards outlined in the portfolio used to document your progress throughout the assessment process. Once you or your employer believe you are competent enough to start the assessment process and have made the step to book your assessments, you should familiarize yourself with the key requirements, such as the assessment start time and location. This will be detailed in your joining instructions. Also, all learners must wear full PPE. As a minimum, this will include high-visibility jacket or vest, high-visibility trousers, gloves, and safety footwear, or in accordance with your company policy. These elements are essential for the successful progress of the assessment. Prior to the on-site assessment element, you will be observed by a qualified assessor completing several pre-installation activities while ensuring all the necessary scheme documentation is available. Risk assessments, method statements, and any specific site information must be read and understood prior to starting the assessment. Conduct the required pre-assessment checks on any vehicles that are being used. You will then need to identify and select the correct equipment for the type of scheme being installed and load it to the vehicle before securing it and heading out to the site location. When you arrive on site, you will be observed completing the various elements of the performance criteria, including the following: a site inspection, a check to confirm the details of the risk assessment, movement within the site both on foot and driving the vehicle, placement of signs, cones and lamps while using the correct manual handling techniques, and the correct techniques for the safe site removal. At all times, the safety of everyone affected by the work being completed will also be being assessed to ensure this is given the appropriate consideration throughout. You will need to be successfully assessed, demonstrating competency throughout, a minimum of 3 times to complete the qualification, with a minimum of 14 days between events. Once successfully completed, the M3 qualification is valid for 5 years and enables you to work as a qualified operative on low-speed dual carriageway schemes. The team at Up to Speed Training will register the qualification with the awarding organization, and you will receive an e-card which details the qualification completed and the expiry date. We hope this video has given you a brief overview of the National Highways Sector Scheme Assessment Process requirements for Module 12D M3, and we hope to see you in the future.